Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to be utilizing leftover mashed potatoes and cheese to make a quick, easy potato pancake breakfast. So pretty much the beginning of the day starts with a little homeschool, and then it's time for me to make breakfast. So I'm going to let my son finish his homeschool, and I'm going to get started on these easy potato pancakes. And the other day I made potato and cheese flautas. So I ended up having maybe a cup left over of the potato, it's mashed potatoes and cheese mixture. I'm going to add it to these eggs. I'm making some potato pancakes with the leftovers, and some of you wanted to see how I do that. It's all going to get mixed together, but I'm going to go ahead and beat my eggs. 2 large eggs. And now I'm just going to add my potato cheese mixture. I'm just going to make these little potato cheese and egg pancakes. All good stuff, just like that. It's gonna look like a hot mess, but it'll taste good. And you can season with a little salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, but my potatoes were already seasoned, so I might add a little bit of salt and pepper to this. So just a little bit of salt and cracked black pepper. Okay, so I'm preheating my griddle on a medium-low heat, and I'm gonna go ahead and add a good amount of oil. 1/3 cup to a 1/2 cup maybe, I don't know, probably a 1/3 cup. And then I'm gonna let that preheat a little bit, and I'm going to add some of this batter that I made. So these are not gonna be those like potato croquette type of tortitas that you would make. This is more an eggy, potatoey cheese situation. I think I'm gonna flip them over once again so they get really good crust on both sides. Okay. Here I have a pot of water with about maybe almost 3 cups of water. I'm going to make some té de anís or anise seed tea. This is something I grew up having. My grandmother made pots of this for everybody, especially when it was flu season, cold weather. You know what? She did it year round, and I'm going to make this for our little potato pancake breakfast. I'm going to add maybe a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half of these seeds. So here are my pancakes. I just garnished it with a little bit of dried parsley, and this is a savory pancake that is perfect for maybe a snack time or a quick breakfast. We have tea, and I'm also going to be utilizing some little oranges to make the perfect breakfast. I hope you give this recipe a try.
There we go.
I hope you like it, and thanks for watching. Good job, thanks, honey. It's a good way to use leftovers. Dax, would you like an orange?
Yes.